Canto's user groups can help you set up easy-to-manage collections of users. Let's learn how to do just that in this video. First, let's take a look at how to set up a group in Canto. Let's jump to Settings and then come over to the Groups option. This is where user groups are managed. User groups are helpful because it saves you the work of managing permissions and communication with users one at a time. Instead, set up security for a group and then just manage the membership of that group. Let's type the name for a new group here in the box, and then we'll give it a description as well. Now, we just need to add the users that we want to belong to our group. Click the arrow next to a user's name to add that user to the group. When you're finished, just press OK. Let's go ahead and click Create. You can maintain the membership of this group over time by just returning to this menu and clicking on the pencil icon here. You can add or remove members from a group at any time. Let's take a look now at a couple of examples of just how useful groups are. Jumping over to the Portals page, you may already know that portals are used to share files out of your Canto library with other users. You can control security for portals, and that includes adding group level security. On the Group Access tab, you can click Add and choose the groups that you want to add to the portal security. Again, this saves you the step of managing security on a user by user basis and ultimately helps you maintain your library. Another great use for user groups is when you're commenting. Canto features an easy-to-use comment option to communicate with team members right inside of the app. Notifications for comments show via email and in Canto itself. In the comment box on a file, you can actually tag an entire group all at once and every member will receive a notification. This saves you the time of tagging members one by one. As your Canto instance grows and expands to more users in your organization, use groups to keep everything manageable. Thanks for watching.